Hi guys, and welcome to the Chris channel, and today we are going to talk about the meaning behind the angel number 520. The angel number 520 shows up in your life because the divine is trying to send you a very important message. When this number keeps popping up, you should know that it is not just a coincidence, and something powerful and divine is at work here. Your guardian angels will keep sending you angel number 520 to you until you understand that they are not figment of your imagination. They might not look like much, but you will be pleasantly surprised by the wisdom and meaning they hold, and how they can change your life for the better. Now, the truth and secret influence of angel number 520. When you keep encountering the angel number 520, the divine is reminding you that there are powerful beings at work in your life, watching over you and giving you what you need. Believe in the all onto your faith. The challenges that you are experiencing now are not given to you just for the sake of punishing you or making your life difficult. They are what make you human, and they help you demonstrate the strength of a human spirit. When you keep seeing the 520, your guardian angels are reassuring you that your hardships will soon be over. Like the 544, you should show a different kind of courage and determination, and now the divine will be rewarding you with everything that you deserve. The meaning of the 520 is reminding you that it is always the most difficult the closer you get to your goals. Whenever you feel like you are just about to ready to give up, give into one last push, and it give you all that you got. You will realize that it is all you really need to be successful. You will be so glad that you did, and that you did not give up when you were so ready to. The 520 meaning is reassuring you that you experience challenges in life for a bigger reason. The divine knows that you are capable of, and just how strong and brilliant you are. Don't back away from your life's challenges, because something wonderful is always waiting for you at the end. Just remember that you will not be going through them if you cannot handle them. So do your guardian angels and the divine really proud. Believe in yourself as much as they believe in you. Know that whatever you need will be provided, because your guardian angels want you to see you happy and successful too. You are blessed with so many gifts and talents that can help you win at life. Release the negative energies that make you feel otherwise, and let go of the self-defeating attitude. When you keep seeing the 520 angel number or angel number 1128, your guardian angels are telling you that they are just on one call away. If you're feeling lost, alone, or scared, all you got to do is call. When you doubt and insecurities slowly take over, just remember that the meaning of the 520 is will help you make sense of things that will give you the confidence that you need to move ahead. Consider yourself truly blessed, because you have the support of powerful divine beings when you have your guardian angels working for you and the divine is watching over you. How can you still think about failure or loss? The 520 meaning is asking you to hold on into your faith, because miracles are at work in your life. When you trust the power of your divine guides, wonderful things will happen and amazing experiences await you. You have nothing to worry about, because you will receive the support that you need at the right time. It will come in many forms, like your college friends and family, or through different instruments of love and kindness. Now, for all my viewers, there is a free numerology reading today. Just check the link in the comments and in the video description. Now, what to do when you see the angel number 520. When you keep seeing the 520 or angel number 315, the divine is sending you a wake-up call so that you can show your gratitude for everything you have in your life. You have been blessed with so much, and now it is the time to pay forward. This is also the time to straighten your relationship. If you have been neglected your duties or responsibilities, your guardian angels are telling you that it is not yet too late. You can still be a powerful presence in their lives. All that you need to do is take the first step to reach it out. Now, the hidden meaning behind the angel number 520. When you keep seeing the 520, it is time to surrender your fears and worries. Look forward to what's waiting for you when all these challenges are over. Everything will be okay, even if you feel like there is no hope. The world will surprise you and completely change your mind. The meaning of the 520 will become clear to you as you go through your own challenges. Remain strong and handle them with grace and poise. Be focused on taking one step at a time. Remember that you will receive the help that you need, but do your best to handle the situation. The 520 meaning is reminding you that there will always be challenges in life and you cannot avoid them entirely. But you have the power of your thoughts, actions, and emotions, and you have the control over how you will respond to them. Your guardian angels are encourage you to find solutions to your problems, not to run away or create more of them. Be a responsible adult and face your problems head on instead of pretending they don't exist. The meaning of the 520 is asking you to live a life of peace so that you can focus on the bigger and more important thing. Staying away from complex drama may sound challenging at first, but once you figure out how to do it, you will find that it is easier than you thought. The angel number 520 shows up in your life to help you discover your life's purpose. Are you ready to find out and achieve a million more possibilities? Now, unusual facts about the angel number 520. The angel number 520 is associated with energy that is very similar to the angel number 7 due to his numeric properties. The latest influence of the angel number 520 is a quite vast velvet spice with a unique properties and attributes. Culture across the Atlantic regard this angel number to be at the harbinger of individuality and adaptability in their spirit. If you are under this angel number, expect your life to change soon and without a warning. Angel number 520 is the con-influence of number 5 and the 2, and are both very powerful, while the number 5 carries with the essence of change with regard to courage and individuality. The number 2 casts light into balance and harmony on the self. Together, they might straighten your spiritual core and help you realize your full potential. This angel number is a synergetic blend of various positive energies from all numbers influencing on it. Change is a way of life. To go through life, you need to accept changes and try to harness them into positive aspects of your spirit. The appearance of the angel number 520 in your life might mean that you need to remain focused in what you are doing. Now, remember to check in the comments and in the video description the link for your free numerology reading today to pinpoint your Grey Fable Pinnacle period. Just click the link and then select your birthday month. It is very interesting, so go now. Guys, this was the meaning behind the angel number 520. If you liked the video, please give me your like and remember to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.